What's up, money friends and the viewers of the tube? Today we're going to be talking about why you should not do high ticket affiliate marketing, because one, it's kind of like a job. You literally are trying to create wealth for someone else, and instead you should probably do something and invest something that is actually an asset that is going to make you money passively. If that's using Toro, if that's using crypto, if that is, I don't know, making a blog. Just don't do high ticket affiliate marketing, because you're going to always be on the hamster wheel. The goal is to build recurring income so that you can buy passive income. And a lot of these high ticket courses that charge anywhere from $2,000 to say $6,000 are all a scam. They're not a scam, so to speak, but they're pretty much like a job, commission-only job. And if you want to get a commission-only job, then go get a commission-only job, but don't do a high-ticket affiliate marketing. Instead, go get a high-commission job that will pay you on job training, then invest in an income-producing asset that you would pay to actually work. So, for example, I just put in $3,000 into, or $3,200 into crypto. Instead of putting that into a high ticket program, you could make more money than doing this, than doing high ticket affiliate marketing. I mean, I put this in maybe an hour ago and I've already made $2. $2 in the grand scheme of things is not a lot, but $30 a day for spending $3 is not too bad. And what's great about this is just the fees that are being accumulated through swaps within crypto. And when the price of a the price of the Matic or USDC tends to stay, you don't lose that money because you're not giving that money away. You're actually getting fees from providing that liquidity. And why I think that you should stay away from high ticket affiliate marketing is because it is like a job. I mean, you can literally, was doing a presentation later, but like if you think about it, we go high ticket and a job. Well, let's go. You can get fired. Both can be fired, let go from your job. The only thing is, with a job, if you get fired, you get unemployment, versus high ticket affiliate marketing, you have to go pay for another program or look for another high ticket or another program to join, or just learn how to actually use Google and Google something like, say, let's go to Google. And I might spell Google wrong, but that's okay. Google. And you literally can type in, say, I don't know, anything that would cost a lot. Tiny homes, plus become an affiliate. All of these, you can sell tiny homes, and there's 43 million results, and you can literally join an affiliate program and sell homes for passive income. I'm sure there's cars. I mean, if you want to sell cars, Car VX affiliate program, sell cars. Like literally, there's so many ways that you don't need to pay money to some fake guru online to join their affiliate program. So like you can literally get fired, but the only thing is with high ticket, you don't get unemployment. You have a job, you have a mentor, which is really just your boss, and then you have a boss. People say you can essentially become you can work a laptop lifestyle. Work from anywhere, be your own boss. And literally the same thing, you can just call that remote work. I mean, really, like, it's silly. Like, these two things are exactly the same, except I'm gonna go over some more details. But I actually think a 9 to 5 is better than a high ticket affiliate marketer as a way to make money, because with at least with a job, you get like matching contributions. Say you have a 401k, well, let's say a good job, not like an hourly job, even though high ticket is like an hourly job. It is an hourly job, actually, just commission only, because you're putting in effort, and each of those hours that you're working to sell one thing ends up being the cost of working for McDonald's. But you get benefits, like you get you get sick days, you get no benefits. You get sick days, you get days off, vacation time, matching contributions, bonuses, all these things that a job gets you versus high ticket. So what else is there? Let's see. You can be fired from both. But with high ticket affiliate marketing, when you get fired, they just take your money and kick you from a group and cancel your training or your affiliate link, versus a job, you get unemployment. Mentor, and then boss, laptop lifestyle versus remote work, no benefits versus benefits. Let's see what else. Most, to be honest, like how many people what percent of the United States makes 6 figures? According to around 5% of American population makes 6 figures, but most of them earn in lower ranges. For example, approximately 15% of 6-figure earners make between 100,000 and 147,000. I thought it was more. I thought it was like a lot more, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is an old one. Only 15% of Americans earn between 100,000 and 149,000, although this doesn't make up a large percentage of Americans who do make over 4%, which is 4%. I don't know. I thought it was higher, but that's fine. I'm sure there is more. I'm sure there's not 5% of affiliates who are making 6 figures. I want to say like, let's just do 100K. There we go. Approximately 33% of U.S. households, so this is households, earn 6 figures. So that's like $50,000 each. I would say that 95% of high-ticket affiliate marketers do not make $60,000 a year. I'm just going to put that out there, that most of them don't. Most of them lose money. So what else? No benefits, no benefits. It's kind of like hourly. There's so many just bad things about high ticket affiliate marketing, when you could literally just become an affiliate with any other program and not pay to join. Like where you have to pay a large fee to work for them. Literally, like it's slave labor what it comes down to, because they're not giving you any benefits. They're not giving you any on-paid training. You have to actually pay to train. You just replace mentor with boss. There's no benefits. I'm sure there's a million other reasons. I actually did a video on my Facebooks about it and a few posts about it, but that's just a few of the things that off the top of my head. I wonder if I can actually find the post that I wrote, because I always bag on the high ticket affiliate marketers just because a lot of them just don't realize they're in the high ticket scam. So let's do mentor and do my posts. Let's do some filters and post from me. Here it is. High ticket. So boss gets most of the money. The mentor gets all the money. You have to pay to go to work. You have to pay to join. If you are paid hourly, you have to put in the time to get paid. Even if you put in the time, you might not get paid. That's super important. If paid salary, it's predictable and reliable, but not scalable. High ticket is only a sales job with no base, but scalable if you hire a team, which most people don't even learn how to do or anything because they're in that employee job aspect where they're building someone else's dreams. You have to go to an office, but can be remote, remote only, but no benefits, or base, you can be fired. So that's like one. Let's see. Already talked about that. Yeah, I mean, here we go. Replace mentor with boss, replace high ticket affiliate with remote job. So yeah, I mean, I can just go on and on about how high ticket affiliate marketing is just a commission only job that you have to pay to join a ridiculous price. And usually those programs are not worth the value that they put in at all, because they're usually copy paste. But that's it. I think that I've kind of talked about this enough. Peace.